Hey there, here's how to change the batteries on your Roku remote control. We'll start by grabbing the remote and flipping it over, just like this. Now hold the top end and you'll see this purple Roku tag. Just pull that, like so, and it reveals the two batteries. Now, at this point you need to have some nails to get underneath the battery at the top. Both sides, grab the battery at the top. So I'll get a nail underneath. If you are struggling with a nail, feel free to grab something like a screwdriver and just gently angle it underneath the battery until it pops out and you can remove it by hand. Then grab your two replacement batteries. You'll see the plus at the top. If you look inside the remote control, you'll see the plus at the top here and the plus at the top on the right hand side. You can go either way. First, I'll do that one. Grab the second battery, make sure we have the plus at the top. And if you don't see a plus at the top, just have a closer look. There's a small one just there and a minus at the bottom. Just there. Pop these in. Make sure they're secure. Grab your lid, like so. If you start approximately halfway up, you can just close like that. Now, your remote control is ready to control your Roku once again.